study session 3. We move into study session 3, which we talk about science and technology in society. Before we move on, there's one basic thing I want us to understand about science and technology. We usually see the two of them to mean the same thing, but they are not. One is theoretical, the other one is practical. But as we look at the following option, we're able to really see the difference more properly. Are science, there's a question, we begin with a question. Are science and technology the same? Then we answer the question. The answer is no. Whereas science is from the Greek word scientia, meaning knowledge or organized system of learning, technology is the application of that knowledge. So, you see, one is theoretical, the other one is practical. Without the other one cannot come up. Then, 3.2, meaning of technology. It is from the Greek word techno, meaning craft, and logia, meaning study. Hence, it can be defined as the means employed to provide objects necessary for human sustenance and comfort. Of course, without technology, craft and technology are not the same thing. Craft is more local, craft is more traditional, technology is more modern. That's the only difference between the two. And one is more organized, technology is more organized than craft. The term technology means a process, a product, or a mix of process and product. As a process, technology involves the systematic application of knowledge to the solution of problems. Remember, systematic application of knowledge, not just knowledge that comes from anywhere. Not metaphysics per se, not religion per se, but verified knowledge. This kind of knowledge we can say it is empirical knowledge. Then, as a product, technology can refer to gadgets, tools, equipment, and instruments as a result from the application of technology to process. We also have to have one thing in mind. Technology is the application of science. To some extent, we discover it's as if technology derives from science, but that is not all. Technology also determines, to some extent, determines what happens in science, because with some instruments which are technological, determine the behavior of some scientific issue. 3.3 is scope of technology. Technology can be grouped into two major areas, namely medicine and engineering. Under medicine, we have neurology, anatomy, gynecology, obstetrics, optometry, microbiology, pharmacy, dentistry, surgery, etc. There are some others, innumerable to mention. Why we classify them into medicine and engineering is that we have some other things, some other cases, let me call them cases, like zoology, like botany. They are not mentioned here. Why they are not mentioned here is simply because when you apply them, they are applied in medicine. Medicine is their end. Medicine is their goal. Without medicine, they will be unfruitful. Then, in engineering, we have electrical engineering, electronics engineering, computer engineering, agricultural engineering, bioengineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, chemical engineering, aeronautic engineering, etc. There are some others. Then, 3.4, we talk about characteristics of technology. Technology involves design. It is technology that will be able to design things, graphics, and so on and so forth. It involves making things, production of things. It is multi-purposeful and multi-dimensional. There are so many sides to that. It is value laden. We should mention something here. It is value laden. Technology is value laden. There are some societies determine what the technology will be. In some cultures, there are some cultures that do not accept certain technologies. That is why we say that it is value laden. Value is a product of culture. If one is in a culture where phone, for instance, is forbidden, there is no need manufacturing phone for them because their culture forbids it. That is why we say it is value laden. It is socially shaped. The same thing. Society determines what comes to them as technology. It is related to science. The two of them are related. Then relationship between science and technology. The two of them they play complementary role. Well, let me here introduce some words used by Karl Marx. Remember, they play complementary role. Marx say that theory without practice is blind. Practice without theory is empty. That's why the two of them play complementary role. They must coexist. Otherwise, because none can exist without the other. They are often used to mean the same thing. That's the relationship that is one of the relationships that exists between them. They are often seen to mean the same thing by people, though they are not, but people see them to mean the same thing. They seem to be inseparable. At the beginning, we discovered that science, go back a bit. At the beginning, we discovered that science determines technology. But at a higher level, we shall say that technology will also determine science, the nature of science. Let's move on. 3.6 Effects of science and technology. The positive effects, we have positive effects and negative effects. The positive effects are it improves agriculture. Of course, that's true. Before now we are talking of agricultural engineering, macro agriculture. Before it was micro agriculture. Today we are talking about macro agriculture. Without technology, there won't be anything like macro agriculture. It improves communication. Yes, one can now stay in his or house and discuss with somebody in the US. And that is exactly why the world is now called a global village. It makes education worthwhile. Yes, like what we are doing now. It makes education worthwhile. It has transformed health and medicine. With what we call lesser technology, so many things are now very, very possible in health. It has taken transport to the highest level. Yes. Uber, for instance. You just call and they take me to wherever we want to go. That is technology. It has improved entertainment. Yeah. The negative effects of science and technology are production of weapons of war and destruction. Some people say it's necessary because for them they say war is a necessary. War like money and women they say are necessary evils. So war is necessary because it enriches some and impoverishes some. But by and large, that is one of the disadvantages. Technological unemployment, yes, it has rendered some people unemployed. Causes accidents and deaths, yeah. Cars and factory, or what we call so accidents that happen at workplaces as a result of technology. Increases crime. Yes, cyber crime everywhere. We know that, we are aware of that. That brings about loss of cultural values. So much of our cultures and values are lost because of the introduction of this technology, especially modern ones. It causes environmental degradation, causes environmental pollution. The two of them are under disadvantage.